in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your stick drift on your PS5 controller. So if you're having an issue to where your character is just moving at random, or if they're looking off in a certain direction without you touching the analog sticks, it means you have a stick drift problem on your controller. I'm going to show you 4 different easy and quick steps to try and eliminate this issue. First, we're going to want to reset your controller to see if that's the issue. So on the back of your controller, you have this small button here. Get a paperclip or a toothpick and press that button for 5 seconds to reset your controller. Then you're going to want to plug in your controller via USB-C into your PS5. And then once your PS5 is booted up, you're going to press that center button to turn on your controller and sync it back to your console. And if that doesn't solve the issue, my tip number 2 is going to be cleaning the areas around your analog sticks. So I recommend getting a Q-tip dipped in alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and specifically clean around the edges of your analog sticks to remove any debris or particles that might be causing the stick drift issue. Another thing you can do is take compressed air and spray and push air around your analog stick to remove any particles that might be causing the sensors to trip up and causing your stick drift. Now, if that doesn't work, the third is going to be pushing in your analog sticks for 10 seconds. And then after that, you're going to want to rotate your analog sticks clockwise for 10 seconds. And then rotate them counterclockwise for 10 seconds. And then push them in for an additional 10 seconds. Now, if those 3 things do not work, then the last is going to be replacing your analog sticks, which unless you have skills with replacing technical components or have a soldering iron, then I don't recommend doing this step in case you damage the controller even further. But you'll have to unscrew the controller, remove the plates, and then you'll have to replace the analog sticks inside. And there are additional steps to that which I won't cover here because I don't recommend doing that unless you are skilled. You may just want to buy a new controller, and I know they're expensive, but see if those first 3 tips work first. And I hope they do. And if they work for you, please like and subscribe or comment any other tips that might be helpful.